So we are at Gotham Lofts, Unit 408A on the 4th floor of the building. This unit faces west with a courtyard view. So coming in, you see you have a gas fireplace, an open living space, and then as we pan to the left here, we'll see the private balcony and then the kitchen with the island counter. This is a timber loft built in the late 1800s and converted to condos in the late 1990s. So you have the hardwood floors, the timber ceilings with exposed beams, and obviously the exposed brick as well. Outside we have the private balcony overlooking the courtyard, the gated courtyard. That courtyard is private to the building. And then the parking spot is back there as well. Over on the south side of the unit, we are entering into the second bedroom. This is a 2-bedroom, 1.5 bath unit. So this is the second bedroom, but still quite spacious. Back in the kitchen here, we do have this closet which functions nicely as a pantry with numerous shelving options, as that's how it was being used previously. We have the half bathroom here, powder room, and then to the left here, the full bathroom with the bathtub and the single sink. In-unit laundry is right across from the bathroom. And here we have the master bedroom. Double closets, an oversized window, again overlooking the courtyard, exposed brick, timber ceilings, and a large space. Assessments for this unit are $433 a month, and they do include the building amenities of a rooftop deck, exercise room, extra storage, and a bike room in the basement.